speak about some of the major challenges we are facing during the teaching learning process. As we all know, the teaching learning process consists of two major activities. First of all, the theory teaching along with practicals, and secondly the co-curricular activities. Both activities are required for all-round development of the child. All the activities, co-curricular activities are also being performed online so that the students may be benefited in for all-round development. The major challenges are the students with no devices. First challenge, the blog is developed, online blog is developed for those students who are having with no devices. Once they get the devices, they can learn at their own pace. Blog consists of links of videos and the assignment links so that they can learn at their own pace. Secondly, the network issue problem is the major problem for those students. The extra assistance classes after the scheduled class are being run. Thirdly, the single device is having with the parents are having with single devices, and the students are more to learn at home.
In next paragraph, we enter a half-built shack. In one part of it, thatched with dead grass, is a firewood stove over which sits a large vessel of sizzling Spanish leaves. On the ground, in large aluminium platters, are more chopped vegetables. A frail young woman is cooking the evening meal for the whole family. Through eyes filled with smoke, she smiles. She is the wife of Mukesh's elder brother. Not much older in years, she has begun to command respect as the Bahu, the daughter-in-law of the house, already in charge of three men, her husband, Mukesh, and their father. When the older man enters, she gently withdraws behind the broken wall and brings her veil closer to her face. As custom demands, daughters-in-law must veil their faces before male elders. In this case, the elder is an impoverished bangle maker. Despite long years of hard labor, first as a tailor, then a bangle maker, he has failed to renovate a house, send his two sons to school. All he has managed to do is teach them what he knows, the art of making bangles. Here, the house where Mukesh lived was partially constructed hut. In one corner was a firewood stove made with the dead grass, a vessel
and as a Russian writer. So now come on the summary of the story. Before discussing the summary of the story, first we should be well acquainted with the character of the story. So there are three main characters in this story. First character is Lashkov, the young beggar. The beggar means the central character of the story. Lashkov is the central character of this story. Now the Sergey, the advocate who gave him job, who met him on the way, and the Olga, the cook of Sergey, who helped the beggar. So there are three main characters. So let's move on and see some important points. What are the important points of, or you can say the summary of this story. So students, first of all you must know the theme of the story. What is the theme of the story, or you can say what is the moral of the story. So here is the moral. This is a moral story in which an arrogant lawyer thinks that he has saved the life of a beggar by teaching him how to work for living. So this is the moral, and now let's start the summary. There was an advocate whose name was Sergey, and who
बच्चों, मैं रीता मौर्य आज आप सभी को एनिमल मास्क मेकिंग बनाना सिखाऊंगी। उसके लिए हमें चाहिए A4 साइज शीट, फेविकोल, ब्लैक कलर, सीजर, पेंसिल, ब्रश। अब हम एनिमल मास्क मेकिंग बनाना सीखेंगे। उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें A4 शीट को फोल्ड करना होगा। आपने A4 शीट को फोल्ड कर दिया और इस पे हम अब फेस बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, अब इसको हम अब हम इसको कट करेंगे। ओके, कट करने के बाद ये कुछ ऐसे दिख रहा है। अब हम टाइगर के फेस के नीचे का पार्ट बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक येलो कलर का शीट लेंगे, उसको फोल्ड करेंगे। फोल्ड करने के बाद टाइगर का जो ये फेस है इसको हम यहाँ पे रखेंगे और इसको हम
When we tell about potential, we will see that it tells about the direction of flow of the charge. We know that when anything that only at higher potentials, charge will flow from higher to lower. Suppose we have a charge here plus Q charge here at point O, and we brought any test charge Q naught from infinity to at point P, suppose point P at a distance R from the test charge.
Good afternoon, students. I am Sahi sir, your English teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Balia. Today I want to tell you about prepositions. There are so many prepositions, but I want to tell you about few of them. Suppose, see here, in, into, on, over, to, from, under, between, behind, at, so many. So I will tell you about these prepositions by the help of several activities. Students, we are not in our school. There we have so many teaching aids. But yes, see, I'm going to the door. But when I will go away from the door, I will use I'm coming from the door. I'm coming from the door. See, I'm going nearer, so it is used to. But when I'm going away, it is used from. When you will go to school away from your homes, so you will write there, I am coming from home. And I am going to the school. But after lunch, when you will back, you can write, I am coming from school and I am going to the home. Now next, between.
यूनिट सेल। अब जो फेस सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल होता है वो हमें पता है कि फेस सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल में पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं दे आर प्रेजेंट एट द कॉर्नर्स। Particles are present at the corners and particles are present at the centers of each face. ठीक है, तो अगर हम इसको ड्रॉ कर लें तो मान लेते हैं कि ये हमारा यूनिट सेल है। ठीक है, तो पार्टिकल्स कहाँ कहाँ प्रेजेंट हैं? फेस सेंटर्स पर और कॉर्नर पर। तो एक पार्टिकल हमारा ये हो गया फेस सेंटर का और एक ये कॉर्नर का, इस कॉर्नर का और एक ये इस कॉर्नर का। ठीक, और ये हमारी ट्राइंगल हो गई है। और अब अगर हम मार्क कर लें तो ये ए है, ये बी है और ये सी है, ठीक। और ये इस
बहुत सारे देश अभी यूरोपियन कंट्री बन गए हैं, जिसमें 14 जो जंगल थे पहले शामिल थे, और भी आसपास के जो क्षेत्र थे ये सभी रशियन एम्पायर के अंतर्गत आते थे। रूसी साम्राज्य का विस्तार इतना ज़्यादा था कि उसमें विभिन्न तरह के जो जानवर थे जिनको रूसी जारों ने, जो रूस के शासक थे उनको जार कहा जाता था, ज़बरदस्ती अपने साम्राज्य में मिलाया था। और विभिन्न तरह के धर्मावलंबी और सामाजिक स्थिति वाले लोग निवास करते थे। उनकी अपनी अलग संस्कृति, अलग भाषा, अलग पहचान थी, और ऐसे में एक जो रूसी जो साम्राज्य एक रूसी राष्ट्र के रूप में परिणित हो जाए ये संभव नहीं था। हर जनगण अपनी स्वतंत्रता के लिए मांग कर रहा था।